Just put this on your fan and you're never gonna need an air conditioner again. That's right everyone, and this tip is actually pretty simple. For this, we're gonna need 2 plastic bottles. First, with the help of some tool, cut off the top part of the bottles. So, first make a hole and then start cutting it. We're only gonna need this top part of the bottles. Once you've done that, now you take a sponge and a little bit of soap. Then scrub these parts of the bottles well to remove any residue of the product or any dirt that it might have. And now folks, we're gonna need a styrofoam box, like a cooler box. And also 2 small pieces of plastic tubes, or plastic pipes. It's quite easy to find. You can find it at any hardware store. Then you take the styrofoam box and make 2 markings. Position the tube and the mark on this side and also on the other side. Then use a utility knife or scissors to cut. We're gonna do this in order to pass the tubes through later. That's why you need to mark both sides. Next folks, we're gonna take the bottle pieces that we cut earlier. And then let's attach them to the tube. Take one of them, place it on the tube. You can use electrical tape to secure it well. And you do the same thing with the other tube too. It will look like this. One end with the bottle and one without. Once you've done that, now let's take the fan. Now take one of the tubes and position it at the bottom front of the fan. And to help secure it, you can use this plastic clamp. Make 2 holes in the plastic and attach it to the fan. Then you can trim the clamps and it will look like this. Now the other tube folks, let's place it behind the fan. But now on the top, okay? Take the other tube, place it and do the same process. It will be attached at the top back. And look folks, this is how it's gonna look like. One attached at the front and one at the back. Now you're gonna take the styrofoam box again, already with 2 holes there. And you simply pass the plastic tubes through. Pass one here in this side and then the other tube through the other side. And to finish folks, now you just need to get some ice. Go ahead and put the ice cubes inside the styrofoam box. You can put a good amount in there. And then folks, just close the box and our homemade AC is ready. But how does it work? When you turn on the fan, it will blow the hot air into the box, which will pass through the ice and come out as cold air. Then it's gonna come out at the top. This is really cool. It's been saving me here at home actually in this unbearable heat because the fan alone wasn't cutting it. So I decided to look up for a way to really make a homemade AC that works. And this one really works guys. As soon as you turn it on, cold air starts coming out. And the more you use it, the colder it gets. So it's really good. Try this at home. I'm sure you're definitely gonna like the results.